The Russians call their grandmothers or grannies by the name Babushka. More than 1.5 million Russian grandmothers and grandfathers don't know that they have dementia. Dementia is a syndrome resulting in anomie. For example, Alzheimer's disease is a certain form of this syndrome. But Russia seems to disregard such problems as if they didn't exist at all. The relatives ignore the eccentric behavior of their close ones, putting it down to their old age. We should tell grandmothers and their relatives about the first symptoms of dementia, and thus detect in time and slow the progress of the syndrome. Grandchildren can help and notice the symptoms of dementia. But how can we make our story about this devastating syndrome clear? We have found an ideal solution that will allow us to get the message across. Baba-Yaga is a Russian folklore character, well known to every Russian child, and a good tradition to read fairy tales to children before going to bed remains in Russia. That's why we asked artists, writers and painters to participate in the project. And finally, we made a book of 18 fairy tales called My Babushka-Yaga. Each fairy tale is devoted to a symptom of dementia: negligence, forgetfulness, aggression. We have printed out a test on the final sheets of the book. Having completed this test, our small readers will be able to realize that there is something queer about their grandfathers and grandmothers. An e-version of this book is available at the website devoted to the problems related to dementia, memony.ru. Then there have been a great number of presentations in various bookstores, publications in the press and internet, radio and TV broadcasting. But these are only the measurable results of our activities. There are other, more important ones. Years from now, when the children that have read this book become adults, they will remember the symptoms of dementia and be able to create families distinguished by greater love, attention, and concern about their elderly parents.